Hello friends, welcome back to our brand identity design course. We are still on the Figma series, and in this video we are going to cover how to use the shape tool, how to use the pen tool, and how to use the comment tool. But before that, please like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. Now open a new Figma file. Start with a blank canvas or an existing project. Now access the shape tool. The shape tool is located in the toolbar at the bottom of the canvas. Select the shape tool you want to click and drag on the canvas to create it. For example, I'm using the rectangle tool. Hold Shift while dragging to create a perfect square, or if you are using the ellipse tool, click and drag to draw an ellipse and hold Shift to create a perfect circle. To adjust the shape, especially when resizing, use the selection tool to click and drag the shape's edge. Hold Shift to maintain proportion. To rotate, hover near a corner until the rotate cursor appears, then click and drag. To apply corners to the radius, adjust the radius of the corners using the corner handle or in the design panel. For styling the shape, use the field section in the design panel to choose the right color, gradient or image fill. To add border by adjusting the stroke setting, change stroke width, color and alignment. You can also apply shadow, blur and other effects in the effects section. For combining shape, use the union to combine multiple shapes into one by selecting them and choosing union selection. To cut one shape from another, using subtraction selection. Then you can also intersect by creating new shape from the overlapping areas. Before we move to the pen tool, let me show you what you can do with ellipse tool. Click and drag to draw an ellipse. Hold Shift to create a perfect circle. Now over the ellipse, you will see a small dot. Drag along the ellipse to create an arc. You can also hover over the arc and drag the dot at the center to create a ratio in percentage. Perfect. Now let us move to the pen tool. From the toolbar, click the pen tool icon in the toolbar. To create straight line, click on the canvas to place a point. Then click again at another location to create a straight line. Continue clicking to add more points and complete your shape. You can now close the shape by clicking the starting point or press enter to leave it as an open path. To create curved lines, click and drag to place the second point and create a curve. You can now adjust the curve by manipulating the handles that appear. For smoother curves, hold Shift while dragging to constrain the angles of the handle. You can also use the stroke setting to adjust the stroke width, the color, and the style. You can also align stroke to inside, center, or outside of path. Closed shapes can have a fill color. You can adjust the color. You can also use gradient or image. You can also add arrow heads to the start or the end of the path in the stroke section. Lastly, let's talk about the comment tool. The comment tool in Figma facilitates seamless collaboration by allowing users to leave feedback directly on the design. It is a powerful feature for working in a team or collecting clients' input. Click the comment icon. It looks like a speech bubble in the toolbar. Click anywhere on the canvas where you want to leave a comment. A comment box will appear at that location. Enter your comment in the text that appears. You can also use arts to mention specific collaborators. For example, at Tolu, please revise the color. Click post or press enter to save the comment. A speech bubble icons will appear where the comment is placed. You can also reply to comment. You can resolve comment. You can also delete comment. If you find this post valuable, please like it, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. See you in the next video.